The 2D Bombardment Squadron is an inactive United States Air Force unit. Its last assignment as a B-52 Squadron was with the Strategic Air Command 22D Bombardment Wing stationed at March AFB, California. It was inactivated on 1 October 1982. The unit was redesignated as the 2D Strategic Squadron as a KC-135 Rotational Squadron with the 306th Strategic Wing, and was last active at RAF Mildenhall, England in 1992. Established as a medium bombardment squadron in 1940 under the GHQAF Northeast Air District, being assigned B-18 Bolos and stationed at Langley Field, Virginia. Received early production B-26 Marauder aircraft in late 1941. After the Pearl Harbor attack, deployed to California, and flew anti-submarine patrols over the central and southern California coast. Deployed to the new 5th Air Force in Australia during February 1942, carrying out combat operations over Papua New Guinea in support of Allied ground forces engaging the invading Japanese beginning in April. Engaged in combat throughout the Southwest Pacific area, being re-equipped with B-25 Mitchells in 1943, and very long-ranged B-24 Liberator heavy bombers in 1944. Fought in the 1944-1945 Philippines campaign, continuing raids on Japanese forces on Okinawa in 1945. Squadron demobilized after the Japanese capitulation, however carried as a B-29 Superfortress very heavy bombers, and assigned to 20th Air Force in 1946, but not manned or equipped. Returned to the United States and assigned to Strategic Air Command at March AFB in 1948, operating B-29s. Deployed to Okinawa, and flew combat operations over North Korea after the breakout of the Korean War in 1950, remaining attached to Far East Air Force Bomber Command until returning to the United States in October. Operated B-29s under SAC until 1953, upgraded to B-47 Stratojet medium bombers. Engaged in worldwide training exercises throughout the 1950s and early 1960s until the B-47 was phased out of the inventory. Equipped with B-52B Stratofortresses for training in 1963, then operational B-52DS in 1966. Deployed to Western Pacific bases during the Vietnam War, and conducted combat operations over Indochina, engaging in Operation Arclight, Linebacker I and Linebacker II raids over North Vietnam until 1973. Returned to the United States and stood nuclear alert until being inactivated in 1982. Reactivated with the 306th Strategic Wing in 1989, and operated the European Tanker Task Force Rotational KC-135 Stratotanker aircraft operating from RAF Mildenhall. Redesignated as the 2D Strategic Squadron on 19 December 1988. This video incorporates public domain material from websites or documents of the Air Force Historical Research Agency.